Good evening, students. The second project that on which we are going to work is traffic light. We have done, but now today we are going to start a program, and the topic of that program is show and hide an image. So I will open Microsoft Visual Basic, Standard exe, open. So students, this is the form where we are going to design our interface, and for your convenience I am writing show in the caption, show and hide an image. For this I'll go to font, increase the font size, bold 30, okay. Show and hide an image. Now for that we have to take image. This is the image button. I'll click it, and now this is a blank area, it's not having any image. I'll click over here, find the image. I have it in my D drive or somewhere else. You must have kept it with my backup. A lot of pictures I am having, so I will insert from D drive. There is one of my folder. From that folder I'm going to insert an image of my cadets. Open. As I insert an image, it becomes big. Now students, to change the height and the width, let's see what to do now. I'll adjust the height. It's 51,840, so I'm going to change it to 3600. I'll click on width and 3600. Now you can see I am unable to see the full image, so I'll again click over it. I'll go to stretch. The property is false over here. I'll click it over here and select the true. Now look, the image is here. The complete image is in that particular area. Now I will take two buttons, command button, one command button. I'll give it a name, show. Again I want to change the font. I will go over here, click on the font property, bold 18, okay. One more command button, I'll draw it and give it a name, hide. I will go to caption, HIDE, hide. Then on the property of font, say bold 18. So my interface is ready, dear students. It's easy to design an interface. Now as I have told you, all the commands are associated with the command button. Let's see. Double click on show, it's written private sub command, one click. So again I'm telling you, as we click on image, what the name of this? Image 1. Again double click on show, image 1 dot, property is visible, is equal to, it's a show true, close करेंगे इसको. Now hide, double click on it, copy it, control C, paste it over here, control V. Now it's a hide, so it is false. I'm going to copy it for a further reference. Now I'm going to run it. Show and hide image, hide, show. hide, show. So students, I hope you must understand it. This is the interface. I'm going to show you the coding. Let's see the coding. I'll open the notepad to show you the coding. Notepad. So this is the coding for show and hide image. Students, I hope you must understand it. If you have any problem, you can contact me. Do your well and prove yourself. All the best. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.